At Home English Conversation. Learn English at Home Beginner English Speaking Practice. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning channel. Today, we are going to learn English conversations at home. You will learn four simple and useful sentences. Open the door. Close the window. Please help me. And where's my phone? These are very common sentences that you can use every day. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. And don't worry about making mistakes. Let's practice together. Open the door. Our first sentence is, open the door. Repeat, open the door. Again, open the door. Very good. Let's understand the sentence. Open means to move something so that it is not closed. Door is the thing we use to enter or leave a room or a house. Now let's practice a short conversation. Mom, can you open the door? Son, yes, Mom. Mom, please open the door. Son, okay. I'm opening the door. Now you repeat. Please open the door. Good. Let's practice another conversation. Dad, someone is at the door. Anna, I'll open the door. Dad, thank you. Anna, you're welcome. Now let's practice together. I say, open the door. You say, okay. Again, open the door. Okay. One more time. Please open the door. Okay. I'm coming. Excellent. Close the window. Now let's learn our second sentence. Close the window. Repeat. Close the window. Again. Close the window. Excellent. Close means to shut something. Window is the glass opening in a wall. Let's practice. Mom, it's cold. John, yes, it is. Mom, please close the window. John, okay. Mom, thank you. John, you're welcome. Now repeat. Please close the window. Again, please close the window. Great. Here's another conversation. Sarah, can you close the window? Mike, sure. Sarah, thank you. Mike, no problem. Let's practice one more time. Close the window. Okay. Please close the window. Sure. It's cold. Close the window, please. Okay. I'm closing it now. Very good. Please help me. Now let's learn an extremely useful sentence. Please help me. Repeat. Please help me. Again. Please help me. Excellent. We use this sentence when we need someone's help. Let's practice a home conversation. Emma, Mom, please help me. Mom, sure. What do you need? Emma, I can't open this box. Mom, let me help you. Emma, thank you, Mom. Mom, you're welcome. Now repeat. Please help me. Good. Let's try another situation. You are carrying a heavy bag. You say, please help me. Your brother says, sure. You say, thank you. He says, you're welcome. Very good. Now let's practice a longer conversation. Tom, Dad, please help me. Dad, sure. What's wrong? Tom, I can't find my book. Dad, where did you see it last? Tom, I saw it in the living room. Dad, let's look for it. Tom, thank you. Dad, you're welcome. Excellent. Remember, please help me. This is a polite way to ask for help. Where's my phone? Now our fourth sentence. Where's my phone? Repeat. Where's my phone? Again. Where's my phone? Very good. We use where is when we want to ask about the location of something. For example, where's my book? Where's my bag? Where's my phone? Let's practice. Lisa, where's my phone? Mom, I don't know. Lisa, did you see it? Mom, maybe it's on the table. Lisa, oh, here it is. Mom, great. Lisa, thank you. Now repeat. Where's my phone? Good. Let's try another conversation. David, where is my phone? Anna, is it on the sofa? David, no, it isn't. Anna, is it on the table? David, no. Anna, check your bedroom. David, oh, here it is. Anna, great. David, thank you. Excellent. Full home conversation. Now let's put all four sentences together. Listen to the conversation. Mom, John, can you open the door? John, sure. I'll open the door. Mom, thank you. John, you're welcome. Mom, oh, it's cold. Please close the window. John, okay. I'll close the window. Mom, thank you. John, no problem. John, Mom, please help me. Mom, sure. What do you need? John, I can't find my phone. Mom, where did you last see it? John, I don't remember. Mom, check the table. John, it's not there. Mom, check the sofa. John, oh, here it is. Mom, great. John, thank you, Mom. Mom, you're welcome. Great job. You just practiced a complete English conversation at home. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat these sentences with me. Open the door. Close the window. Please help me. Where's my phone? Excellent. Try to use these sentences at home today. For example, when someone is at the door, say, open the door. When the room is cold, say, close the window. When you need help, say, please help me. And when you can't find your phone, where's my phone? Practice these sentences every day, and your English will become more natural. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice English every day. I'll see you in our next English lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving. Bye.